Hello, welcome to Rainful Night. I'm so glad you're here. This is your space to rest, to let go, and to find peace. Tonight we'll walk together into the quiet, into the calm where sleep is waiting for you. So take a breath and let's begin, right now, wherever you are. Whatever happened today, it's okay. You can set it all down, just for now. All the thoughts, all the worries, all the things left undone. They'll be there tomorrow, if you need them. But tonight, they don't belong here. Listen. Do you hear it? The rain is falling, soft and steady. It's been falling for a while now, washing everything clean. Each drop is like a small breath, releasing, letting go. And as you listen, you might notice how your own breathing begins to slow, how your body begins to soften, your shoulders dropping down, your jaw unclenching, your hands resting, palms open, holding nothing. There's nothing you need to hold on to right now, nothing you need to fix or figure out or remember. The rain is doing that for you. It's washing away the noise of the day, the heaviness, the tension. And with each breath you take, you're breathing in cool, fresh air, and breathing out everything you no longer need. Let your thoughts drift by like clouds. You don't need to chase them or push them away, just to let them pass. The rain knows what to do, and so does your body. Now, imagine this. You're lying in a quiet room, safe and warm. Outside your window, the rain continues, a gentle rhythm that never stops. Tap, tap, tap on the roof above you, soft, constant, like a lullaby the earth is singing. The sound fills the space around you, but inside, you feel so still. Your bed feels softer now, as if it's holding you, the way the earth holds the rain. Every part of you is supported, cared for, safe. Your eyes are growing heavy. That's all right. You don't need to fight it. Let them close when they're ready, or let them rest, half open, watching the shadows, the soft darkness. Outside, the rain keeps falling and falling and falling. It will keep falling all night long, even after you've drifted away. You are so safe here, so held. And with every breath, you're sinking deeper into softness, into rest. Your body is heavy now, beautifully heavy, like the sky full of rain. And your mind is quiet, floating, drifting, like mist. There's nowhere else to be but here. Nothing else to do but sleep. The rain is your companion tonight, keeping watch while you rest. And as you let go completely, you can trust that everything will be all right. So sleep now. Let the rain carry you into the deep, peaceful sleep you deserve. Good night from all of us at Rainfall Night. Sweet dreams.